you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I'm really excited because I just received my October Boxycharm. So today we're going to do an unboxing and then I will try on all of the makeup inside. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, which I'm sure most of you or all of you know, it is a beauty subscription. Currently it costs $21 per month, but next month in November the price is going up to $24 per month, and they're also going to be offering a new subscription option next month, like Boxycharm Premium, which will be even more money. But yeah, and the one we're opening today, like I said, is $21 and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. In my experience, we typically get like 5 items, and I really do love Boxycharm. If you have not yet subscribed, they usually have like a free gift when you sign up, and I think right now you either get 1 out of 2 Tarte palettes, so I will leave the link down below if you are interested in signing up. Before we get unboxing, I just want to remind you all that we do have 3 giveaways going on our channel, and they're all for different things. We have a makeup giveaway that is in my most recent video, the Ipsy Plus unboxing, so I'll link that down below, along with a Yode sunglasses giveaway and a book giveaway. So if you haven't entered, I always leave down below all of the giveaways. I also leave down below my social media handles, so if you want to catch up and become friends and talk in between uploads, you can always find me there. But anyways, let's get into the box. So the box seems a little bit smaller this month, or I'm just imagining that. When you open it up, this is what you see. So there's a card right on top. It looks like I have variation 18. I think that might be the highest variation I've ever received. And inside the card, it talks about all of the items. It looks like the theme this month is After Dark. And then it looks like there's some kind of giveaway going on. And on the back, it talks about the new bigger Boxycharm, Boxycharm Premium, the beauty box worth over $175 for only $35. So apparently when they upgrade the price for the regular box to $24, you'll get at least $125 worth of items. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave their link down below if you want to sign up or if you want to learn more about their subscription options. And then here's a little sneak peek of what we have inside. Ooh, I'm super excited. So everyone got a Dose of Colors palette, and I got the Sassy Siennas. So I've only tried Dose of Colors, like I have 2 of their single shadows I got from the Charm Room, and I love them. I wore one the other day. So this eyeshadow palette is $32, and I think there was like 7 of them we could have gotten, so you guys have to let me know if you guys got the same or if you got something different. But it says this 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. The palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. So let's see what it looks like. You can kind of see on the back of it. So it's all matte. I rarely do an all matte look. And just so you know, Dose of Colors is cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free. So let me get this open. I was watching someone's video. I think it was like Yari G, and hers was broken. I think it was the same one, but oh, mine's all good. There's a little protector. Let me get that out. And it comes with a brush too. Maybe we can try that out later. And a mirror. So these are the shades I got, which I think these look really pretty. And I like how what the names are. It's like Stay Sassy, Brassy, Foxy, Bossy, and Oh So Sassy. These look so beautiful. Do you ever like see a palette and it looks so pretty you don't even want to like swatch it because it has like markings? Like you can see how these do have like some imprints in it, but let's swatch a couple of them. Again, we'll be trying this on later. That's why I look the way I do. Oh my god, these feel so nice and buttery. Oh my gosh. So that's just like a quick little finger swatch, and that was so good. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to play with this. Those swatched really well too. Oh my gosh, yay! Let me just clean off my hands really quick and we'll move on to the next item. And that palette alone, the very first item, was more than what I spent on the box. So $21, like I said. I actually signed up for like 3 months at a time, so I pay a little bit less than that. Oh, I am getting my fingerprints like all over it. It's one of those, but I like this like little package. I like 5-pan palettes. I'm not a fan of those like mega huge palettes, so. Anyways, the next product was one we could customize and choose. So they gave us the option to choose between this, the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow setting spray, or it was something by Touch of Soul, or what is that company called? I'm blanking. A Touch of Soul, I think. And it was like a primer. And I heard good things about the primer. I just have so many primers. So I chose this one, and I have it in the original, which I'm glad about. This is like more of a champagne color, and there was also an option to get like a more bronze color, and I was afraid I would get that, and I'm so fair, and I was like afraid it would make me look like brown face, you know, and like not matching my skin. But this is so pretty. Do you guys see that? Can't wait to try this out. The Iconic London Prep Set and Glow is $29. Another item worth more than the box. Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. Oh, you can use that on your body. That's a good idea. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Awesome. We'll definitely be trying this when we're done with all our makeup. Next up, ooh, this is something by Hank and Henry. This is a mascara. It's a double-ended mascara. We received their eyeliner last month, and I loved it so much, and somehow the cap came off and it dried off. I was really sad because I really loved it. But I'm excited to try this. So the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo, this is $19. Slick It With Mascara will have you feeling like you have a major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. Oh, I'm excited to try it. Let me get this plastic off. Sometimes I struggle with this. Alright, so I got that off, so let's see what's on this side. So here's the regular one, so for your top lashes. I'm really interested in seeing the smaller one, see how small it is. I like the idea of this. Oh, that is really small. I'm excited. So again, we'll be trying this in just a bit. 2 more items to go. Next one, Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. I wonder what color it is, if they like, it says dark brown, so I don't think they went based on profile, which I've heard that they're not even using our profiles yet. Have you guys heard that? We'll still try it, but dark brown, like I'm blonde, and I know I put on blonde. Like maybe just brown would be okay, but that's kind of a bummer they didn't go by profile. Mellow Tinted Brow Gel is $16. It says, achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. So let's see what this looks like. I was debating like in my head right now, like whether or not I should even open it because I could give it away, but I guess we'll try it out. I do have like my eyebrows penciled in, so you can see even like when they're penciled, they're very light. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be dark. It just looks like a mascara wand. We'll try it, but it might look a little weird. And hopefully I can find someone to give it to, because I feel so bad when I try things and then can't give them away to you guys. Last thing, whoa, this is a really big eyeliner. This is the 101 Black Hollywood and Vine Kohl Crayon Eyeliner. Velvety Touch Smooth. Like this is seriously like almost the size of my head. So this is $7. It says line your eyes with this rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smoke Kohl Eyeliner. This creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. So it's, yeah, just a regular pencil. This would last forever. Let's see, hopefully it's creamy like they say. Yeah. So I guess we'll try that out. So that was everything. So we got 5 items. And it looks like the total value of these 5 items is $103. So again, next month the value at least will be $125, so that's an exciting change since we'll be paying a few more dollars per month. I'm looking at the brush that came in the Dose of Colors palette. I don't know, maybe I'll use like this side for like the pencil liner to smudge my eyeliner or something, and maybe this to pack on something, but usually I use like brushes like this to pack on like a shimmer. I have some of my brushes here though to use for the look, so let's get started on the makeup. So it's pretty much like all eye stuff besides the mist, which I'll use at the end. Usually I mist my face like before I do my mascara and stuff like that, but we'll just wait, I guess. So what should we do with the eye look today? I guess we'll go in like with the lightest shade into my transition area, like this light pink. I don't know. We'll have to see how this turns out. I never do this. So I'm just going to use what I usually use for my transition, the Sigma E40. Let's see. Whoa, this picks up a lot. It's dusty. So that's pretty pigmented and blended well. I went like light-handed, but still pigmented. But I'm loving how it blends. Oh, hi Fiona. Fiona just came in. Gosh, I'm so used to putting a shimmer on my lid. This will be interesting. But anyways, I'm gonna go with like that light brown shade, Foxy, I think, and like deepen the outer corners. And I'll just use my like Luxie 237, like a smaller blending brush, like I usually do. Ooh, I keep forgetting that this picks up a lot. So far I'm really loving how these shadows are performing. So I think over my lid I might put this like the Bossy shade and see how that works out. I don't know. I never, like I said many times, I never usually do this. I should probably grab a clean brush. Or here, I'll try their brush, I guess, first to put that shade on. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of that original shade in the crease and just blend that over on top. And I'm going to go back in to deepen out the outer corners just a little bit. One of my eyes is like a lot more like droopy and hooded than the other, and I feel like I can never get them right. Like I'll think they look good in person and I watch my videos later, I'm like, ah! Like out here it comes out more. I don't know, we'll see. But for lower lash line, let's just do some of that original transition shade. I'm so tempted to grab like my shimmer shade from Dose of Colors and like dab that on my eyes a little bit, but hopefully this isn't like too much. But let's apply some of that eyeliner. So the Hollywood in Vine Kohl eyeliner. And I'm going to try and smudge it out a little bit with this, the other end of that Dose Colors brush. Alright, now let's try the mascara. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out how I can do this like on camera. Try not to make my weird faces. So that's just with one coat. I did get a little bit, I'll have to clean up on my lid. Let's try and add a little bit more. So far I like it. Right now I'm going to add the top to the other side. Or add mascara to the top of my other eye, I should say. Right now let's try the bottom lash one. I barely have any bottom lashes, but so this will be interesting. Oh my god, that made me look like I have bottom lashes. I don't know if you guys can even tell on the viewfinder, or I mean on the camera. I can't tell on the viewfinder, but wow, I like this. So I really liked that. That was good. Now let's try the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, which is not based on my profile, which is kind of annoying. Dark brown. Oh man, this could make everything go south. I'm gonna go really light-handed. I feel like this wand is too big for my brows. Yeah, because it made it kind of messed it up. I'll have to wait till it dries. Or wait, where's my spoolie? Yeah, see, this is like the width of my brows or even bigger. So I feel like this, if the wand was smaller, it would be better. I went super light-handed and then had to clean it up, and I don't think it's too bad. I guess I'll have to see, but it just seems to not distribute product great, like, or evenly I should say, and it's like too big for my eyebrows. So yeah, I probably won't be reaching for that one a lot. But anyways, let's move on to the last product. I'm so glad we were actually able to try everything in this box. So the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. I'm guessing you have to shake it up. It's so pretty. Okay, so it says, shake well for even glow. Gently spray 12 inches from your face with your eyes closed, applying the soothing mist before you moisturize and use to finish makeup. You can refresh throughout the day. Okay. I just want to see what a spray looks like before. Okay. I think it's sprayed evenly. Oh, I heard people saying it smells like perfumey. It's not like too much. Some people are more sensitive to smells, I think, than I am. So let's let that dry. I'm holding my mirror up now just to see the final look up close. I think it looks pretty good. So let's just do a quick recap. I love that we were able to try everything, because I know I just said that, but I feel like sometimes you can't. So eyeshadow palette, I did really like. It's different for me not to have like a shimmer, but I do like these colors, and I think it came out okay, and they blend beautifully. I might like use this with other palettes for like, because you know I'm missing that shimmer, or use like my little single shadow shimmer I have by Dose of Colors. I love their formula. It makes me want to try more of it, so that is awesome. That's an A+. I really like the mascara, and like the bottom one, or the smaller one, made it look like I actually have lower lashes. So I'm definitely going to keep using this. I'm super excited about this too. That's also a win. The spray, I couldn't really tell much of a difference. I guess we'll have to see if it like makes my makeup look like, you know, better or stay longer. I gave a little bit of glow, I think, but I'll definitely try this out some more. I love setting sprays. One thing that I'm not pumped about is the tinted brow gel. I just really wish they went based on profile. Like, what the heck? You know, we filled out that profile like 6 months ago, maybe longer. Who knows? Does anyone know? But I'm blonde, you know, and this is like the wand was just like too big. The eyeliner's fine. This is a black eyeliner. Smudged out fine, went on fine. No complaints. I mean, it's not exciting just because I have a whole drawer full of eyeliners and stuff like that, but yeah. So definitely my two favorites are the palette and this mascara, and those, I mean, just the palette alone pays for the box, you know. So yeah, I think this was overall a good month, and I love that it's all like makeup-y stuff. It's always more fun, I think, than getting skincare. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love skincare. I just have a routine I'm going with right now, so I don't really need any more, so I'm happy we got mostly makeup. But anyways, you guys have to let me know, are we box twins? Did you guys get 18, version 18, or what did you get in your box? And I'd love to know if you got a different palette and your thoughts on it and all of that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me and trying on this makeup. I appreciate it. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!